Okay, y'all, it seems like whoever came up with that rumor and said that Cardi B and Latto put everything to the side and they're no longer beefing ahead of their Essence Festival performance, that was a lie. Now, you guys remember when Cardi B was performing at the BET Awards and she was performing every time and she paused and didn't say Latto's name? Everybody was like, well, she paused on a couple of different words. No, I feel like she did that on purpose and she did it again during her Essence Festival performance. So while she was performing every time, instead of saying Latto, she decided to say Barty, and then she said Henny. So she replaced Latto with herself and her sister. Hey, yellow look like Barty and see some dollars in this bad brown look like Henny. And that's not all, y'all. Cardi B even performed the song that she has with Glorilla, or should I say the song that Glorilla has with her, Tomorrow too. And she says, can't say your name up in my songs, might not F with you tomorrow. And a lot of people felt like that was towards Latto for the simple fact that she did not say Latto's name in her Airtime song. Like I said, she replaced it with Barty, and then she replaced it with Henny, which is her sister. Now you guys know Latto was at Essence Festival as well, and she performed Gimme That, which is a song where she addresses Cardi B and basically says that she doesn't need anybody to buy her a bag because her man does that. Now she says it's not a diss, she just says that she was talking about Cardi B in it. She also performed Put It On The Floor, and at the end of it, she says the P word. And you guys remember when that leaked audio got leaked of Cardi B calling Latto the P word, she was performing shortly after that and she kept saying the P word over and over again. So people feel like this was shade towards Cardi B, and some people also feel like Cardi B put on that orange yellow looking wig to be shady towards Latto. But I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this. I feel like this situation is just going to get messier and messier because Cardi B is going to continue not saying Latto's name, and maybe Latto feels some type of way about it, maybe she don't, but I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on it because I feel like the drama is just going to continue.
Wait, y'all shocked that Cardi B removed Latto's name from her song every time? Are we all in the same universe? Y'all do remember that Cardi B apologized to this girl about 3 to 4 times. I'm gonna say 2 times at the most, just to not go overboard. And Latto basically said she don't want no motherfucking apology because it wasn't when she wanted it or how she wanted it. Instead of her just letting it be what it be, she got on her record and made a low-key diss track. Because what I do want y'all to understand who Playboy Max is. Playboy Max is a streamer, and although he do a whole bunch of other crazy videos, he also brings artists on stream to do battle rap. So y'all mean to tell me right after she referenced the whole situation with my man will buy me a bag and basically saying like, and if you really want to make this about rap, we can go ahead and get in the booth. Like we can get on stream with Playboy Max. She was being funny. And I wanted somebody to address the Playboy Max comment, but nobody did, so let me do it. The Booth. Playboy Max is a streamer on Twitch who has a very successful streaming show called The Booth, where he brings artists in, live streaming, mainstream, to actually do the writing process live. Y'all already know motherfuckers saying Cardi not writing her shit, and y'all heard exactly what Latto said in that lyrics. Exactly. She was being funny. So no, I'm not shocked she took her name out of that fucking song. Honestly, I would have been took her name out of the song. I think it's nothing bigger than what we seen. Her name is just being taken out of the song. Ain't no hard feelings, but all I'm gonna tell y'all is y'all better stop playing with the girl. She's tired. Ain't no.
And honestly, can we even blame Latto for performing Gimme That at the Essence Fest? Because it's given. I'm going to perform my diss while you in the building. So who's pussy now? And I got to respect it. Because you were supposed to be my friend and you go off running your mouth on a phone call. Didn't expect it to be leaked. And then you got me to record a song, a feature on your album. And then that comes out that you saying that I'm pussy ass Latto. Yeah. Her performing that diss track at the Essence Fest while she was in the building, can't nobody be mad at it. Y'all can't be mad at it. She deserved that. She deserved that jab, and it's giving who pussy, because I'm gonna perform my diss and ain't nobody gonna do nothing about it. And I like how she's standing on that. And it did piss Cardi off. It really pissed her off because she did go up on the stage and she changed every time. And she said, bad yellow bitch look like Barty in this motherfucker. So, and I don't blame her for that because I would have did the same, especially if a diss track was just, performed.
Okay, y'all. So it's day 2 of Essence Fest. And first, let me start off by saying that my sis Cardi B ate down last night. I'm so proud of her. This is the 3rd time this year I'm seeing her on a big stage. First her tour, then the BET Awards, and then last night. And I have to let y'all know that she ate down every single time. Performance, T, the whole setup, T, the set, just all of it, T. I'm so proud of her. The second thing is, I love seeing y'all outside. I've met so many supporters out here. I've taken so many pictures. I love seeing y'all. Please make sure y'all tag me in a photo so I can show y'all some love, because this is really dope. At this point, we family. Now, here's a quick fit check. I don't really have a lot of time, but it's getting comfortable, and I'm going to tell y'all why. It's podcast day.
And the Group Chat is Live podcast is going to be shooting live at the Convention Center. We're partnering with Essence Fest. We are so excited. See y'all at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. And this is my co-host, Mari E. And if you're not following her already, you're losing me.
And if you're not following the Group Chat is Live podcast on Instagram and TikTok, you're missing out on the chat. So
Cardi B is Petty Boots.
Bad brown bitch look like Henny in this motherfucker. Bad yellow bitch look like Party in this motherfucker.
Yesterday, after taking the stage at Essence Fest, she replaced Latto's name with her name and Hennessy's. Now, as we all know, Cardi B and Latto have been at odds ever since a call of Cardi B leaked calling Latto P-U-S-S-Y. Cardi B claims that she reached out to Latto behind the scenes and even issued a public apology.
It was about Cardi. Yeah, I was at an early stage of my pregnancy. Studio to do this verse for her in time for the first week sales. Literally like 2 days later, all over the internet, I'm being called pussy. I'm pregnant, emotions high. When I did, I looked at it as a friend, like we was on a texting.
But Latto clearly did not accept because she waited to address the situation when her album recently dropped.
Bitch said, what? Let's talk it. Really got a Hermes throwing my closet. Talking about buying big mama a bag. Like my nigga ain't already bothered.
By recent reports that they have made amends due to them hosting a after party at the same venue, are speculating that there still might be a little tension behind the scenes. Because in addition to Cardi B replacing Latto's name in the song, they're hosting an after party at the same venue, but Latto was on the outside at the Garden and Cardi B was inside. Now, Cardi B had the inside jumping and Latto was on the back patio. I don't know if they crossed paths last night because I've not come across any photos of them. I think it was very commendable for them to both agree to host a after party at the same venue, all knowing that they have an issue with each other. Wouldn't be surprised if these two did make up in the future. I'm kind of trying to stand 10 toes down on her stance against not making up due to the fact that she doesn't want to be perceived as what Cardi B said, which is a P-U-S-S-Y. I'm honestly torn. I don't know how Latto should feel about it. I honestly feel like she's moving about this the best way she knows how. Like we see this all the time with people letting their ego get the best of them. And I don't know if she's doing that, but I will say it's been pretty hush-hush regarding the situation, and I think that's beneficial. I saw that Cardi B replaced Latto's name in that song. I was gagged. I'm curious to know what you guys think regarding this. It just goes to show that there are no real friends in the entertainment industry. Friendship was worth salvaging. I feel like they should have been handled this behind the scenes, but that's just my opinion. Let me know what y'all think regarding this down in the comments.